Hi guys. So today we're going to be practicing present tense French verbs. So we start with I, the I form, je mange, which finishes with an E. Tu manges, which finishes with an ES. Il or elle, he or she eats, ending with an E. We eat, nous mangeons, ending with an ONS. It's kept the E in there because it's slightly irregular. Vous mangez, ending with an EZ. And ils mange, they eat, ending with an ENT. Okay, so we're going to practice these verbs. Okay, Jazz, all you have to do is get the right answer. Okay, I eat. Je mange. The one that ends with an ONS, so we eat. Nous mangeons. He eats, or she eats. Good dog! And they eat. They eat. Good dog. Right, how do I say I eat? What's the ending on that one then? Je mange. Ending with an E. Oh, that's interesting you've chosen that one because as you can see, je mange and il, elle mange both end with an E. So remember your present tense verb endings, je, I, tu, is, il or elle, I, nous, ons, vous, iz, il, ent.